What's good? Yo, Crash Bro, what are you talking about? Choppy, you're so retarded, it doesn't even fit in my brain how you're able to operate a camera and a boom mic. I don't even know what that means. What is a camera and what is a boom mic? Before I even address this, what is the definition of camera and what is the definition of boom mic? What is that? Is that something that I should know about as a streamer? Or is it just more shill? Is it George Slop? Just more George Slop. Seems like George Slop. Yes, me. Seems like freaking George Slop, bro. Anyway, dog, AMD, bro, I'm just going to act like this is going according to plan. Like, genuinely. 431, dog, we got in at 440 fucking 5 yesterday. I mean, I just can hope that this goes up. I mean, bro, the market's not in a good place to trade right today. If anyone is worth their shit, they know that today's market is not tradable, bro. What is this? We're already in chop and it just hit 11 a.m. Like, there was nothing that happened today in the market. My money in the grave. I mean, let's just see what TradeGPT says. I'm going to show you guys a video. I really want to add this to my P&L. I really want to do this with my P&L. I want to show you guys something that I took, but it wasn't it was a trade for Luke. Watch this. So I said, give me a 0D. This is this morning, by the way. I'll show you guys the entry. Give me a 0 DTE directional trade on SPY today. So I hit TradeGPT this morning. This was like 9:30 a.m. Literally right as soon as the market opened. Makes me think maybe I should just do this. Stream in the morning. On the day like this, you consider puts, but bro, a put is still a solid direction the market's going. The market's not going in a solid direction. So let me show you guys what I did. Let me show you guys what I did as soon as the market opened this morning. So I hit TradeGPT, and I'm like, give me a 0 DTE directional trade on SPY today. Give me all of the information I need just to capitalize on this short-term move. That's literally all I said. I said, give me a 0 DTE directional SPY for today. And then it gave me this 0 DTE SPY put. Now, here's your put, bro. The guy who asked me if I'd consider puts, TradeGPT just told me to do a put. And so I scroll up. You guys are going to see the trade here in just a second. Right here. So it gives me this SPY long put. It's a 0 DTE rocket this morning. Now I can't add this to my stream P&L, but I really, really want to. So it gives me 741 current price at a 740 SPY put. And I just literally take this. This is my entry. I took this morning, SPY 740, 15th of May put, just exactly like TradeGPT. I bought it at $1.85. Bro, in like 30 seconds, this made $1,700. Went from $1.85 to $2.43. And that's the trade I did this morning. But I can't bring and shill you guys that fucking trade because I didn't take it live on stream. And then it just happens that everything after that has just been absolute chop in the market. I mean, yeah, technically, I had another trade. I'm up like 2,000, but it's not like this is just a trade I took for June 15th. I'm thinking about taking this off my P&L because it's going to fuck with your guys' perspective. Yeah, this is a trade I'm holding right now till June 15th. I'm bullish on semiconductors. Shoot me. It's down right now. You guys are lucky that I let you guys see the trades that I'm currently holding for a long term. But yeah, I'm down. It's just, I mean, that's the kind of the double-edged blade of being completely transparent. But yeah, technically right now in the one position I have active, I'm down 3 grand. Nothing too crazy. What's up, Nico? How you feeling though, bro? You post these trades in Discord so we can play along with you, so you can hook your boys up. Yeah, but it's like, okay, let's find a trade right now. I'm gonna see what's going on here. I'm gonna address this market, but I want to show you guys. Guys, this isn't the market. When things look like this, there's nothing conclusive about this, right? Even the guy who's never done this before can understand that this is not like this is not a place that you go to make money, right? When it looks like, let me find it, like I guess yesterday. When it looks like this, right? When shit looks like this and it has a fucking direction, it's great. But today there's just no direction. I can't treat Tradealgo like a crystal ball and just say, hey, find me motion. But that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to be like, this is what I'm going to say to TradeGPT. Let's lock in. Okay, I'm going to be like this. I'm going to say to TradeGPT, whole market is a chop fest RN. I need a solid play with a stock that has a solid direction with good options contracts. And then I'm just going to proceed to say, I'll just copy this last part of the basic options trades prompt. I'm just going to say, give me the specific strike price. So I just started with the market a whole chop fest right now. I need a solid play with a solid direction that has good options contracts, and then I'll add I'll add this. So then I added, give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis recommendation. Sitting my hands. Yeah, bro, it's way too hot. It's way too hot. Apple's solid. All right, I'll take a look at Apple. Thank you, bro. Thank you, guys. This is why I fucking love you guys. Let's see what Apple's talking about, and I might just rip a trader. Woo! You are right about that, bro. Okay, so there is motion to be made. I'm just being a crybaby. SMH, bullish, bull put spread. Dude, this is the nuclear reactor company I was talking about. SMH is a nuclear reactor company. Most traders are pulling their Friday money out in the next hour. Markets will chop. Yeah, bro. I'm in this. I'm literally experiencing it firsthand. So it's telling me to do it's when TradeGPT tells you to do a bullish semi-AI play, and then it gives you 2 legs of a trade. It's basically saying, "How, bro, I can't line you up with the big boys today because there's nothing to line you up with. But we're gonna play ball on Apple." So let's go to Apple here. So here's what I'm gonna do on Apple. So Apple's starting to drop right now. It's just not worth the risk. But here's what I'm gonna do. So I'll pull up Apple right here. Damn it. Okay. I'm gonna pull up Apple right here, and I'm just gonna say, give me a, because I want a 0 DTE, bro. If it's Friday, we gotta play 0 DTE. Especially with my AMD trade for June 15th. I need to get my way out of this. I'm already up 1,700 on the other trade I did, but for stream purposes, we're going to have to find another trade. I'm really forcing this right now, but we're going to make it work. Me and ZTE rocket here. Basic options trade. Make it happen. I'm at 305 for 529s on Apple. I'm in at 305 for 529. Let's see what TradeGPT hits us with. Microsoft hitting. Microsoft hitting, Apple's hitting. Okay, so it looks like we got motion. This is not a basic options trade. So TradeGPT gave me a multi-leg play, a short put, and a long put on SMH, which is a nuclear reactor company, which I'm not necessarily looking to do a multi-leg trade. I'm just going to say this is not a basic options trade, just a single leg directional. NVDA is bearish since we sold to the fucking commies. 100%. All right, so I'm saying this is not a basic. Guys, sorry. I mean, I was supposed to be finding a trade here. On pull. Sorry, so I asked him for a trade, and I'm just confused. I think I said SPY here, so it's ripped a SPY trade. Apple 0 DTE rocket. So we're gonna rock with this 305 strike for the 15th of May today. All right, fuck it, I'll do it. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I'll do this. I'm only gonna do like 4 or 5 grand on this. We doing all this and all that. If we sold NVDA to China, what's the new military chip play? Yeah, it's for sure military chip play. I mean, AMD, obviously, right? Let's go APL. So it's telling me to do this 305 strike for the 15th of May. 305 strike, 15th of May, call. 305 strike, 15th of May. These are only worth 21 cents, dude. These are worth nothing, bro. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just do 2,000 on this. This isn't worth it. I'll hold this till the end of stream. We're just gonna gamble. I'm up too much. I'm up a lot of money on the month right now, so I have a little. I can afford this. All right, my entries here. I filled these 305s, 15th of May. You did it the 29th of May. I'm trading something with a lot more IV, so I'll be your entertainment on this trade. No way NVIDIA gets everything but giveaway. Are you the real lead loader? If you can prove you're the real lead loader asking me that, we'll talk about it. All right, this is my 305. Apple 305, 15th of May. I bought 56 contracts like a chud at 37 cents, and we filled these today, May 15th, 2026, 11:17 a.m. Eastern. So we are in. I'm going to upload this to my P&L tracker, and we'll see what the deal is here, man. We will see what the deal is. It's gonna. I mean, if it's a red day, it's all good. I'll show you guys my P&L for the month, but I'm holding this AMD trade that's just fucking with my interface. It's just showing you guys I'm down 3 grand. It's a trade I'm planning on staying until June. And my dog's place. 515. Strike, 305. I'm not down $1,400. This is very volatile though. So this 2,000 could go. I'm down 336 right now. I got there with 31 cents. Bro, I'm thinking about taking AMD off my tracker. It's fucking with my head. Sell Apple. Nah, bro, I'm buying calls. TradeGPT gave me a 0 DTE rocket. I'm gonna play ball here. It's been making the most moves at 10 a.m. and 12:30. Okay, we can. Are you fully funded for Are you fully funded for PDT? I'm not funded. I mean, this isn't a funded account. This is my own money. Sell now, bro. Stop, guys. There's no reason for you to tell me when to sell. Sell now, like, bro. Sell side liquidity is too much. Watch. I don't need too much. Just need a little bit of motion, a little bit of love here. Let's mark entry. Okay, orange line is entry. I'm taking the stock up $2 to $3.04. That's my take profit. I'm not listening to what Trade Algo has to say. I'm just gonna go based. I'm gonna cowboy this out. All right, entry and exit. What's up though, guys? How are you? What's the plan this weekend? Exit. I mean, you got 25K. Yes, I have 25K. I have more than 25K. I've got a 300 ball sitting in this options account. Absolute flow has been, bro, let's cook, man. Hey, shout out to the motherfucker who told me to trade Apple, bro. Genuinely, bro, thank you for telling me to trade Apple, bro. And between you and TradeGPT, we can make this work. 0.38. Okay, guys, you're seeing an AMD trade down $3,200. I want you to know that's valid. I am down on this trade $3,200, but my timeline is very, very, very long on this trade. So you guys get to see every trade I take on the stream. Daniel Ortega, good shit, bro. Let's cook, man. Where are you at on these 305s for 29th of May? Bro, I turned $70 to 800. Let's go. At some point, AMD needs to retrace to 348. Just saying. That's gonna. It's already here, bro. It's at 449, 435 right now, bro. AMD's at 435 right now, bro. Robert, does that mean we're in the clear? I mean, I could still be bullish on this AMD call for the June 15th. My entry was 70 cents. On May 15th. I mean, you're on May 29th. I'm on today's expiration. So yeah, I am playing. My trade is gonna be a little bit more volatile. Sell side liquidity, bro. How do you know this? Bro, it's gone down 5 cents and it just broke through my entry price. I'm tired of it, bro. Enough from you. No AMD. No, guys, AMD is... I'm in this AMD trade till June 15th. I'm not even mad. I took it yesterday. It's just going to happen. But, like, you guys are in a position to grill the fuck out of me because I'm just displaying my loss. Dog, if we go down to 301.50, I'm out of this fucking trade, bro. I'm drawing a stop loss, bro. This is where I'm out. This is my fucking stop loss, bro. Don't say I told you so. Bro, I'm gonna be even more mad if you were right. I'm not even kidding. If you're right about this, I'm not even kidding. I'm gonna be more mad. Like, whatever. I asked for a 0 DTE rocket. I'm going to pay the consequences. Or I'm going to reap the benefits. Right? If I just asked for a basic options trade, would have been a different story. Would have given me something farther out. But I asked for a 0 DTE rocket. This is my own choice. I can't blame the fucking AI for this. You should get a magic 8-ball like Lauren Kitty. Okay. That's not a bad idea. I already got this, like, bird thing. Platinum is the next play? Really? B-Study, why do you say this? That's a retest from the top? You think it's going to go up? Bro, I'm not fighting the trend here. It's not like I'm fighting a fucking trend here. Look at this. This is a diagonal. It's fucking going up. What are you talking about? Look. We're goated. We're fine. Respect the accountability. I'll hold Apple till expiration. Copper too. Okay, so you guys are saying that I shouldn't be loading up on gold. I should be loading up on copper. Bro, Warbucks, you remind me of EA Nasir. Maybe I should go buy copper from EA Nasir. Are the play the next few months. Just loading up on them right now. Bro, storage upside. Look, man, this is their trade. I'm kind of on edge right now. I gotta chill. Give me a second. I'm gonna hit this vape. Warbucks, you should look up E.A. Nasir. He's my favorite copper merchant of all time. He's from ancient Mesopotamia. E.A. Nasir. Silver for the short. You buying physical or paper metal? Well, I guess I'm buying... I guess it would be like paper, technically, because I don't physically have the gold. Bro, wait, upside storage. Platinum and Cooper do follow. Copper do follow gold. Platinum and copper follow gold. We gonna get motion here, bro? That's my question. Are we gonna get motion here? I'm at 34 cents on Apple. Guys, don't pay attention to AMD, man. AMD, I'm down. Yes. If I am down, it is what it is. For record, this is my P&L in the month. All of this has been live. I'm not including $1,700 that I made today on a 0 DTE SPY put. For purposes of all of this, this P&L is directly from trades I've taken and exited on stream. That's what this P&L manager is. So we're crushing it. We're crushing the market. Yeah, I mean, if these last 2 days are red, it's gonna be a fucking slap in the face. But it still doesn't change the fact that we're winning. Exercise delivery for real. Natural elements are not the move right now. Why are you saying this? Retest on the yellow line. You don't think we're breaking this yellow line? Should I just get out when I hit break even? It's good to leave it on. AMD, leave it on. Leave AMD on. The real ones know what's up. Yeah, it's true. AMD is guaranteed to go up. Leave AMD. Yeah, I'm not. But no, the thing is I just don't want you guys to get to like some new people to join my stream. Is what I'm saying. And see that the AMD trade that I have a long-term outlook on is down $3 grand and then call me a shit trader. And at the end of the day, bro, I probably am a shit trader. The only reason I'm making money is because of Tradealgo. And that's not a fucking endorsement. I don't have an affiliate link with these guys. I got a fire, boy. See you next week. What do you mean you got a fire? Artistic macro dummies. But yeah, that's the only reason. That's what I'm saying. I mean, AMD will stay in my brokerage and I'll bring it up. But it was simple, dude. This morning was so chill. I traded. This was my play this morning. Look at this. So I'm sending Luke Russell, who's one of the VPs at Trade Algo, my play, and he's like, dude, like, show me how you cook 0 DTE SPY trades. And so I make this. I literally sit with him and I sit with this video. And I'm going to show you guys. I'll show you guys my entry and when I got out of this. But I said, so this is what I said to TradeGPT. I said, give me a 0 DTE directional trade on SPY for today. And I'll show you guys my entry. I took this right before I started streaming. And I'm not including this on my P&L, right? My P&L that you guys see is only trades from this stream. But TradeGPT goes and analyzes and just serves me up a nasty 0 DTE SPY put. It was a put right here at 9:31 a.m. I'll show you guys the play. This is my entry. So 740 put, right? That's what TradeGPT told me to do. Told me to do a SPY 740 put for today's expiration. I bought 31 contracts at $1.85 this morning at 9:32 a.m. 5:15. Bro, these went bonkers. It was just a quick 31%, 185 to 243 in like nanoseconds. And then I just got out. And that's like my ride, the high on riding of the day. So the 0 DTE plague has like infested my mind. Now I'm trying to like just go and do it again. Dude, yeah, absolutely. Theta Decay is in turbo mode right now. Theta Decay is in absolute turbo mode on this 0 DTE. I think we can pop out of this though. I think we can pop out of this. This looks like a rocket booster. I'll show you guys. Squidums. Have you heard of SYM? Symbiotic? You would like those guys. You would fuck with Symbiotic. Only thing I would have done differently with the Apple Play is buy a longer expiration due to Theta Decay. Yeah, absolutely. No, I agree with that. All right. I mean, we're at a profit right now. I'm at 339. Excuse me, 39 cents. Bro, should I just get out now? Should I just call it? Excuse me. Oh, look, RN. Yeah, you'd like Symbotic. I mean, if you actually, you did say that robotics and AI were high risk. But this is like this is a warehouse company that has contracts with like Walmart, and they're a robotics warehouse company, and they're providing these workhouse automations. And I want to kind of like paint a picture for you guys if you guys want to close your eyes, if you don't have to. But here's what the future looks like for warehouse infrastructure. Right now, you have air-conditioned, well-lit warehouses with kitchens and relaxation areas for human beings that have air conditioning and they're quiet, and the human beings are being paid $100,000 a year to go and work in these warehouses for Amazon. Now, in 5 years, this is what a Amazon warehouse is going to look like, bro. Close your eyes and picture this. You walk into a massive fucking warehouse and it is loud as fuck. It's 130 degrees and it's dark as shit. It's literally dark, it's loud as fuck, and there's no humans. And it's 10 times bigger than the warehouse before. And now it's just 60,000 robotic systems sorting and delivering packages to trucks. That's what the future of Amazon warehouses is going to look like in any warehouse. They're all going to be run by fucking robots. And Symbotic is the company that has contracts with these people and has actual tech to go through and do it. 440 is a major spot for resistance. I'm looking for a 450. I'm looking for 450 AMD to get out of my trade, bro. But that's the future, and Symbotic is like the evil company that's gonna make it so. They're not evil, but they're gonna be the company that strong arms this. It's retesting the order block now. Watch it fall. What do you think it's gonna fall to my stop loss, or do you think we're just gonna stay between my stop loss and my entry? Because I'll take that, right? That the theta's not gonna kill me if it just hits my stop loss. I'll lose what, $400? I only put 2,000 on this trade, on the Apple trade. Get out. Oh, dude, please don't tell me that. I started off the stream not listening to you, and then you've been right all stream, and now I'm starting to consider your opinion. Genuinely. Who are you, bro? Are you Ken Griffin or something? Who are you? Are you Ken Griffin, bro? You need to say a daily stop loss? No, gaming. I know what you're seeing right now, and it plays into the narrative that you see where I'm always losing. This AMD trade that I'm down $3,000 on, bro. My play with AMD, Apple's the only trade really to worry about. Because AMD is a trade I'm holding till like mid-June. Stop looking at it till expiration. No, that's facts. That's facts, Daniel. I guess that I'm shooting for like early June. So it's still like a month. I am Lucas. $301.71 is danger area for Apple. Okay. Noted. I have my stop at 301.52. RDW. Is that a let's see. Do you guys hear the new Drake albums? Redwire? Why? Who are these guys? Integrated Space Technology, Defense and Technology Company. You should look at RCAT too. Warbucks. You know, I think you and I have chopped it up about RCAT before. Yo, what up, Alex? Gappers, what's up, man? What's going on? I got a 0 DTE on Apple, and I got a June 18th on AMD from yesterday. How you feeling, though? How you feeling, Gappers? You traded in this nonsense-ass market today, bro? It's fucking nonsense. Yeah, it's super Brian Pepper's trading day today, but it's fine. It's just one trade that's like fucking up the perspective. You're short? I was short this morning on SPY. I made a decent trade on SPY. Belong in gold. Okay. Ending stream when I make $1. Literally, bro. Literally. Belonging gold. I still, it blows my mind that I have figured out the way to use TradeGPT, and I just continuously go against that every freaking losing day. It's just, it's like me just spitting in Tradealgo in Carlos Cruz's face and saying, I'm not going to use your technology. However, it did sell some Amazon and INTC puts, so I guess a little long. Did you profit? Retest on the order block. We sell, bro, please. Bro, please let me learn for myself. It's my money. I'm waiting. I mean, Apple will get past 302.50. It'll go to 303 and then I'll get out. I'll move this. I'll even move my exit price down to 303 for you. Well, for me. It's not for you. But this is my trade. Okay? I just need a 303 Apple. And we're not trading against the trend here. We're going to do this thing together, man. TRT. They're grinding up slowly. June 18th. Yeah. I mean, the theta here is owned by only Achilles heel on being long on AMD. Dude, just set it and forget it. AMD. Yeah, so for this stream, I trade options, but I do own AMD. No, I don't own AMD, but I own an ETF that covers AMD, AI that has AIQ, and then I own a fuckload of Apple and NVIDIA. GPT is smarter than our signals, visually especially. Yeah, guys, it's Trade Algo. It's not ChatGPT, though. I want to emphasize it's Trade Algo because it's different data than ChatGPT. It's a language model that scans through Trade Algo's data. Eventually, buy the dip, run out of ammo. You see, I told you, hey, bro, we're still consolidating where I expected to consolidate at. Yes, great, Alex. Yes, absolutely. Yes, it is. Great call. But the data that it's plugged into, I mean, is worth. I mean, okay, I'll do this here. I did this last night when I was talking to a dude. If you just Google search this. This is what I'm using. I use Trade Algo, right? Who does Trade Algo purchase data from? And you see here, it'll tell us exactly who Trade Algo purchases data from. Okay, Trade Algo purchases data from 250 different data providers. The major ones that they purchase are FactSet Research Systems, Bloomberg Terminal, and Morningstar. Okay, so if you just took these alone and you I just copied the names here. I copied the names here and I go into AI mode and I say, FactSet Research Systems, Bloomberg, and Morningstar. And then I just go in and say, if I wanted to pay for these data vendors without using Trade Algo, how much would I pay for premium data access? And then on top of it, how much would I spend deving my own AI to scrape the data as accurate as Trade Algo? Thing on L days you knew it. Yeah, I think that's what it should be. I just punished myself. Okay, to bypass a platform like Trade Algo and master institutional data. It's basically saying to beat Trade Algo and to use Trade Algo, it's going to be an estimated $59,000 to $70,000 a year in data subscriptions, right? Trade Algo's taking care of that. You're not paying. I didn't pay $59,000 a year for data. No, I just use Trade Algo, and they have all of the stock market data, and then when I use their AI, it just scans through the data. And I paid $5,000 for a lifetime. That's literally like the shill of this. That's like why you use like AI and data vendors. And then on top of it, you go through, estimated total $101,000 a year. Go fuck yourself. Crazy. Costs are 3.5K a month, but I use specific APIs. Yeah, bro. I mean, when Trade Algo launches their data and API access, there's going to be zero reason for anyone to use anything else. TPET. Yo, I had this dude that I was talking to. He made $250,000 today, or excuse me, yesterday alone on Poet. P-O-E-T. You guys heard of these guys? P-O-E-T. Shop Fest today, but I mean, let's look. Bro, he made $250,000. I didn't ask him what direction he traded it on, but it was it's like a family friend. Ah, fuck. I might just get out, bro. Yes, Poet and the leverage one too. So what is Poet? What does Poet do? Design development company, optical engines, light source products for artists to the artificial intelligence system market and hyperscale data systems. Damn. These guys might be a play. $20 stock. That might be a play. What do you think on a long-term level? It's a gamble. How was my week? My week was good. My week was really good. What's up, Ash? My week was... You have company. I'll hold AMD. Yeah, that's a great play, JJ. I'm long on this AMD position. It's just eating me up right now. Yeah, absolutely. Well, I remember, you guys remember the AI pyramid I drew yesterday. It's the next play is going to be any infrastructure and power going to the AI in semiconductors. Right? We started with AI, NVDA ripped. Then it was semiconductors, which we're going through right now. The next is going to be infrastructure, and then it's going to be power. Stop loss hit? No, it didn't. Why would you say this? My stop loss didn't hit. Yeah, I would fuck around and remove my stop loss, bro. Oh, where we go? It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit my stop loss. I'll zoom in. Yep, and we should be out. Let me see. Lost 392 on that one. Dude, I gotta start fucking listening to Trade Algo, man. These bad days are just so fucking avoidable. It's crazy. What companies are fucked by the Strait of Hormuz? Yeah, you did. You did, bro. You ruled the day. I hit my stop loss. Okay. Now wait for the real move. Drink some water and chill. Anyway, guys, you guys want to play some trivia? You guys want to play some trivia, bro? I'm done. I'm done trading. I'll take my Apple loss and I'll hold AMD. I'm not gonna place any more trades. It's not. This market was terrible. I knew as soon as I opened stream at 11 a.m. that this wasn't a tradable market. One minute chart is so deceiving, though. Yeah. It is. It is. It's just more entertaining. It's just more entertaining. Yeah. Yeah, they love to stop hunt. I mean, bro, I made a bad trade at a bad time with a bad mindset. It's my fault. Bad trade, bad time, bad mindset. That's literally what it came down to. Not conducive to the plot. If it goes past my entry right here, if this trade ends up being a profitable trade, I'm just done. Like, I'm just done for the day. How come we are all here and Apple only came up when it was at a peak? It's my cat. What does that mean? Trivia. Fertilizer is fucked. True. 1M chart is a little crazy to look at. I do 3 to 5 minute raffle draw. Silence, guys. I'll think about a fucking $200 giveaway when I'm not down $4,000. I'll do trivia though for you guys and still give you guys some money. Fucking lead loader. Dude. Rocket at 12:30? You really think so? We're gonna rocket at 12:30? Why? Well, it was going up all morning, and then I get in, and then it just stops. So I want to show you guys, like, literally not even kidding. It goes up all morning. I place my trade for $3,000 or whatever it was, and then it just goes past it a little bit and just falls down. How awesome is that? You place trade? Nah, dude, I did this at 11. I did this at 11 a.m., gappers. I did this trade at 11 a.m. Wait for the retest on the previous breakdown and take your money back? Okay. That sounds like a better idea. Paul, you're lame. Can I join, Paul? Whoever told you to look up Apple used you as liquidity, sir? No. It's fine. The guy was on the guy. I just asked for a stock that was going up, and he told me a good stock. I'm the one I'm the retard who played a 0 DTE on it. Happy Friday, y'all. See you at the top. Fake lead loader is back. Wait, it's literally fake lead loader just called himself out. Why don't you show up like here? I'm ready to fuck. Yeah, I did. I've been doing these 10 a.m. starts too, bro, and just absolutely crushing it. We're probably gonna adjust the time. I'm just working really tight right now with the Tradealgo sales department because I'm doing their marketing for this newsletter. So I'm teaching the sales department basically like how to sell this new newsletter, and I've just been busy. When did you get in? Bro, it's going to go all the way down. I should have just played puts at my fucking entry. You can't prove I'm fake, though. Man, they do 11:30, 12:30. It might just be something to think about. I get it. It might just be something to think about. No, yeah, 9:30 to 11 is the best time frame, I think. Well, bro, I went on a generational run starting at 11 a.m. because it was after all of the institutional transactions settled. But, like, this is just a different market now. I mean, like, it's just the market. It's just, you can't even call it a different market. The market is an interchanging beast, bro. The market is an interchanging beast. I'm out of this Apple trade, though. Now I'm just watching AMD. AMD's kind of going back up a little bit, though. Warbucks, if we do an official change to a 10 a.m. stream, you guys will all know. But, like, some mornings I will start earlier. I might do a fuck around to a 9:30 a.m. after this morning. Guys, you saw my 9:30 0 DTE SPY. We made 1,700. It's finna tank. Okay. Ask TradeGPT about gamma printing. Okay, I'll do that. Trading tools, options trading. I think it's under options trading. You guys want to go through Trade Algo's products? Look at all these fucking products, bro. Trade Algo Terminal, Platinum Program, TradeGPT. I have been told to ask you about gamma pinning. I know, lead loader. This is not good. Celsius is so much better. This like makes me like pissed. Yeah, we used to do a 3 p.m. stream. Get stuck or graduates near popular option strike prices expiration. Alex, why are you spending so much money on stock market data? Do you build bots? Please listen to me next time, dude. I don't know, bro. Honestly, I get burned a lot too by listening to a stream chat. Right, unless like you're like either like there's like 4 guys I listen to. It's Gappers, Steven Davis, and then Zebra actually has really good trading advice. Zebra's smart enough to know when not to trade. And that's enough for me. And then who else will I take advice from? JJ, you're pretty good. Johnny 9 will give me like not like direct day trading insights, but he'll give me like good ideas, like prompting ideas. And so I'll always use like Johnny 9 when he comes up with a prompt. I'll rock usually. I was ripping a Johnny 9 prompt on stream for like 3 months. It's not this, it's that. This GPT garbage. LOL. LMAO. Anyone ever used Telegram bots banana gun? Dude, what? Machine learning. Okay. This GPT garbage, bro. It's not, bro. Fuck the GPT part of this. Fuck. I use the language model because I'm stupid. You're supposed to use the data. TradeGPT is not a quant engine. Makes sense. Then there's me that will give you 100% all the time. Okay, velocity. What about me? I gave you a Micron technology call and you made about 4K live on stream. Did that happen? Did that happen though? Did that ever actually happen? Did you actually ever give me a Micron technology call as your basic human right, your basic fundamental human right to comment in my stream? You gave me a Micron technology trade. Wish you'd take one of my morning futures trades. I'm going to get into futures. TradeGPT is great, not knocking it one bit. No, I know what you're saying, but it's not a fucking quant. Yeah. I'm up 30K on the day 2 trades. Anyone that is not knocking is ill-informed. Thank you. I appreciate that, Alex Pascal. Yeah, we got, I mean, this got rinsed as soon as we entered. It's at 301.11. I mean, we got to be grateful too, bro. Apple's a $300 stock, right? This is great for anyone who's trading, period. You guys remember when Apple was $210, $150, right? I mean, the market's in a phenomenal position. Checking where binary trades are at is actually not a terrible strategy. Well, the whole idea is to have all of that checking automated, bro. TradeGPT is good for options. Yeah, it's the best options AI in the world. I will say that without a doubt. There's not a single fucking indicator on the planet. There's not a single indicator on the planet that can compare to Trade Algo. No velocity because speed and direction is all off. No velocity? What do you mean? Velocity, don't be like me. Who is velocity? Oh. Velocity, I'm a raging alcoholic with an addiction to strippers. And you've got a sick Lexus, JJ. Don't count yourself out of that. But dude, I'm not taking another trade. You guys want to run some trivia? If we get 10 people in a trivia game, we'll go. If you guys want to join the trivia game, go to my YouTube. Right here. Go to my YouTube channel. And I'll give you guys, it's going to be $20 for the winner. Go to my post right here. Go to my post, scroll down, and click this link. It's my trivia app. You're going to be brought right here. You'll enter your YouTube username and your Ethereum wallet address or just your Cash App. But if you have to enter your Cash App, just put 0x and then put your Cash App. And then we'll rock. 20, what happened? I'm just going to do 20 a question, lead loader. I'm just going to do 20 a question so I can do more. I don't know if I'm going to do fucking 10 questions and give away. Close the AMD. No, dude. All right, Johnny 9 is in trivia. Okay, I think I have to redo some Anthropic credits. You guys playing trivia? Which side? Damn, looks like ChatGPT didn't win on the Apple trade. It was not ChatGPT that told me to do it. It's fucking Trade Algo's data. And in Trade Algo's defense, I asked for a 0 DTE rocket. I didn't ask for a smart trade. Gave me a trade that's either going to 5x or 1. I would love to tell you guys that there's some crystal ball in the stock market. And then I would also love to tell you that like there's this crystal ball that just magically works 100% of the time. But there's not, bro. I fucking have losing days. And you all, like everyone who watches this stream understands this. This is my P&L for the month. Okay, this is my P&L for the month. All right, this is where I'm at. I'm up $9,000 and I have losing days. I have days where I lose $1,400, $1,200, and $320. Okay, and then I have a day like today where I lost $392. Is it a big deal? No, it's not a big deal at all. It's just part of the game, bro. There's no crystal ball for this shit. Okay, if you guys are going to play trivia, go to my channel, go down to my posts right here, and click the trivia app. All right, we have 6 players in. We just need 4 more to start. We have 6 players in. We need 4 more to start. I'm down 3K, or down, yeah, link for trivia. Guys, if you guys want the trivia link, go to my post on YouTube and join through here. Just click this link. You guys will be brought right into the lobby. It'll be like this. Enter your YouTube name and your Ethereum wallet address. I'll do like 2 questions. Yeah, I'll come back. I'll come back. Yo, Sumo, what's up, buddy? Sumo's a reigning giveaway champion. We got 6 players, and I'm waiting for 4 more people. 4 more people in the trivia game, and then we'll start. But right now I have 6. 6 of you guys waiting. Links on post. Guys, yeah, let me know. Let me know. Just need 4 more people. 4 more people if we're going to run a trivia game. I'll just donate my money. Should we just run it? If we only have 6 people, I'll only do 1 question. You guys ready? All right, let's do it. Let's start the category off with AI agents. This is going to be the category, AI agents. Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Question is dropping. Question is dropped. Question's live. Just spin the wheel, bro. Just put the fries in the bag, bro. No, if I win, donate the money to Discord. Okay, you guys see the question? The question is live. The question is live. Is it working? Let me just see. Okay, cool. Yeah, the question's live. All right, we're going to reveal answer. Okay, Anomal Paul, you won, buddy. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Anomal Paul answered it in 14 seconds. Anomal Paul answered it in 14 seconds. GG's, bro. GG's. Okay, we're going to move. Anomal, I'm going to send you 20 right now on Ethereum. Good shit, Anomal. Bug? You think it's bug? Is it bug? Tell me the bug. Tell me the bug. Tell me the bug. I'll patch it. Tell me the bug, and then did it prevent you from winning because we'd have to run it again? Two right answers? No, there's only one right answer. There's only one right answer. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, it is bugged. This is bugged as fuck. Okay, hold on. Yeah, you're right. But it's still valid for Anamo. You can still take it. Okay. How is there two right answers here? N. Facts, magic. You bro, it says yeah. I know. Bad question design. Answer C also got the check mark full point, so accepted two answers. Most likely, that common mistake on trivia platforms with a question. Those could be right. Was a C. Dude, I did not set this question. Let me see my host backend. Yeah, it's just B was the correct answer. No, I had the correct answer set as B. There is a bug. Fix it. Okay, I'm fixing the bug right now, guys. I'm fixing the bug. We'll watch another question. While I fix the bug, I'm going to pay Anamo Paul. You know, Anamo, it's not the first time I've paid you. I paid you money. You remember? Remember when you botted? You quote unquote, no, you didn't bot, but you did Twitter clipping for me? You remember that, Anamo? Brother? You remember? Remember when you posted my video on Twitter for me and I sent you $200? You remember that? Okay, I'm sending you 20 right now, though, bro. That's how much I love you. All right, hold on, Anamo. Let me go. Crypto, Ethereum, transfer, send crypto, paste, and your wallet ends in FC8E. Yeah, it does. Okay, Ethereum 20. All right, buddy. Good stuff, man. Good stuff, Anamo. Congrats. Ask if you can sniff. Congrats, Anamo Paul, all the way from China. Why I don't reply? What do you mean? I'm replying. Hi, what's up? What's up? Taste and Travels. Did you also ask ChatGPT what you're eating today? Dude, are you trolling me? You're trolling me. All right, you guys ready for the next question? Like, this is weird. Why did what cost answer B and it came up as incorrect, right? Weird. Why did Shaz answer B, came up as incorrect? Weird. And then these guys all got it first is really weird. I am from India. What are you doing? I'm just... Question, I'm not gonna lie. No, yeah, we're gonna do another question right now. Okay, you guys ready? You guys ready? Okay, the category is going to be futures trading. Oh wait, before I do this, it's still fixing my bug. It's still fixing the bug right now. Okay, before I ask this question, it is still actively fixing the bug. Any answer under 5 seconds shouldn't be valid. No, JJ, it's if somebody knows ball and they can answer the question, it's valid. Right? The whole point is like get good at Google, build an AI scanner that can rip the question immediately behind the countdown, and then answer it. Anama, you got my 20, bro? Okay, cool. All right, you guys ready? The bug has been fixed, apparently, is what it says. All right, 3. All right, we're dropping the question in 3, 2, 1. Dropped. Question is live. 3, 2, 1. Question is live. In futures trading, what is the primary purpose of a basis trade? Cash and carry or reverse and carry? Dude, I don't even know the answer to this. I'm going to guess B. I have not received it yet. Give it a second. I did send it to you. I'll send you the confirmation on Instagram. It's complete on Block Explorer. I sent it to your wallet address that ends in 2FC8E. It bugged. It auto answered for you. It actually auto answered for you. Yeah, it said a bunch of. Oh, everyone answered A, but Sumo Flex got it first. Sumo Flex got it first. Sumo Flex got it first. Good shit, Sumo. Good shit. Dude, how did you answer it in 3 seconds? Did you just know the answer, Sumo? That's the only way that would have worked. Bro clearly spammed A. Why can't I use VPN? Bro clearly spammed. Bro, the question appears and it's auto-answered. Oh. Really? Well, then how did people answer C, D, D, and E? Seems for some people the question is auto-answered. I just threw up a shot. Okay, so you guys, Gappers, did you answer it correctly? No, it's the first person to answer it. Sumo answered it in 3 seconds, so he gets $20. I'm a new trader. Game is rigged. Guys, it's not rigged. There's no fucking rigging here. There's nothing that's getting rigged. Auto answered, but still took Johnny 9 time. Okay, yeah, these are things that need to be addressed. Johnny, it took you 122 seconds. Is it bugged? Do another giveaway. Magic, play trivia, bro. Let me see that fucking brain work, bro. Where's what? How? Like. And it's 20. It's auto 22. Okay, yeah. Okay, Johnny, we'll fix that. I'm fixing bugs right now. HCWB. It is bugged. Material. Game is rigged, just like the market manipulation. Yeah, I'm Ken Griffin here. I decide who gets the $20. Yeah, I'm glad we got out of Apple, bro. This was a pointless. It's pointless. Bro, I'm driving. Are you finished trading? Yeah, I'm done trading. Why is it in loss? Why is what in loss? Why is what in loss? Taste and travel from India. Why is what in loss? Why is what in loss? What is in loss? My profit and loss because I lost. I lost on the trade, bro. I lost on the trade. Yeah, Sumo, how did you answer it so fast? It's fuck with you Friday. Yeah, it's starting to feel like it. I mean, whatever. I'm just a little tight. I'm a little tight about the way I approached the market this morning. LMAO, you're so bad. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Run another question, but no money. All right, we'll run another question, but no money. Why is it in loss? Lucky guess. You just guessed? Okay. I'll believe that. Deletes player state, questions loaded, but never deletes the answers bucket. Oh, deployed. Okay, so let's try it. Let's try another question. We won't do for money here. This is just making sure there's no bugs. Let's do the category of world famous historical figures. That's going to be the category, is world famous historical figures. Okay, let's try it. You guys ready? We're going to drop question. 3, 2, 1. Napoleon Bonaparte was famously exiled twice. On his first exile in 1814, he was sent to the island of Elba, where he was sent. Where was he sent after his second exile following the feet in water? Oh, this is such an easy question, bro. I can't even answer this. But this is like this is basic ball knowledge, bro. What place did Napoleon retreat to after his second and basically only real defeat? This is ball. This one is easy. This is a gimme. These questions are fucking crazy. Yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, this one is a no-brainer. That's a fucking that was too easy. Johnny 9. Good stuff, buddy. Good stuff. If you guys didn't know that answer, go hit the books. That's ball knowledge, bro. Yeah, bro went to like Chuck E. Cheese. Poland. Yeah, bro went to USA. That was an easy one. We'll yeah, Johnny 9 won, but he didn't win any money. That was just a question for no money. I gotta send Sumo the thing. Okay, you should do 5 questions and top on points. Okay, like a circuit, ideally. Okay, well, you guys want to do a 5-question blitz? I visited the house, brother. We can have this conversation, but if he was exiled after losing a battle, he retreated to Helena. Okay? Give me a questions a rock eater would understand. Holy shit, check my trades after trivia. I think like a 5-way. No, did he? Okay, let's do a 5-way. Can we have the option? I'll show you guys how I communicate with my bot here. Can we have the option to start a 5-question run that tracks an overall winner across 5 questions? Bro, we literally vibe coded Kahoot that works better than Kahoot. Let's get active on the small account for new viewers. Magic wants to get active. Bro, Magic, I'm telling you, there isn't a way to trade this market right now, bro. There isn't a way to trade this market. Let's see. Small account. Let's see what the vibe is. Maybe I can do a little swing ski into next week with the small account. Let's see. Let's do this really quick. Let's do this. Magic makes a good point. All right. I have $900 in a fun money brokerage account. I want a simple but safe, basic directional options trade that costs less than a $1 premium. Nice, Paul. Dollar sub. Why PFE for this? Okay, so it found PFE Pfizer, May 29th at 6 cents. All right, yeah. You guys want to take a $6 trade? How's that sound? Let's do a sixer. Okay, this is a $6 trade. If I was literally broken on my ass, this is the kind of trades I'd be doing. $27 strike, 15th of May, 6 cents. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna look for PFE on my brokerage. So it told me to do PFE. I'm going to go to my brokerage right here. I'm going to hit the search bar. I'm going to go to options, right? We're trading options. I'm going to click options, and then I'm going to search up PFE, Pfizer, and then I go to May. I go to options right here. I click options. I go to May 29th. So I click the date right here. I click May 29th, and then I am doing the $27 strike price for May 29th at 6 cents. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Go to my calls. $27 strike. So I go here to $27, and then this is 6 cents. I'm just going to let's just do 10 of these for $60. 10 of these, we're going to do a market order because fuck it. And then I'm doing 9, 10, and that's $60. Okay, so I did 10 contracts, $60, and a little $1,000 runner for my boy Magic. That's how much I love you, bro. I'll drop everything and break it down for my boy. This is Mumu. This is Mumu. You guys ready for that's the trade I'm in. They all got headhunted to big firms. Damn. That was Mumu. I have a $1,000 fun account on Mumu. No. My Webull is what I use for my big trades. Webull does not suck, bro. Webull is the shit. Simplest, behind a Robin, obviously the simplest UI for trading. You guys ready to run another question? Drop a 1 if you guys want to do another trivia question right now. You guys want to do a trivia question right now? Let me know. Drop a 1. Got 2s coming in. You guys want trivia? You guys want trivia? You guys want trivia? Yeah, we're gonna do the 5-way. My bot just made it. My bot just created the 5-way. All right. Yo, it's a fucking bloodbath today, bro. Just nonsensical trades. All right, let's do it. Let's do a trivia question. Okay, we're gonna start a 5-question run, and 5-question run started, and we are good. So if you guys are in, you guys are in, and we are going to. Okay, ready? 3. Wait, let's test this question out because I don't know if this question is going to work well. So I just dropped the question. 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck. This isn't good. Okay, hold on. We're doing a full reset. Damn. Okay, I just fucked that up. That was bad. That was bad. We got to do a full reset. Okay. Let's start it. We're going to start a new run. Yeah, that was bad. I entered a picture that I shouldn't have entered. Okay, let's start a run. Okay, sorry about that, guys. That was a bad question. Okay, the category is 90s music. All right, 3, 2, 1. 3. We're dropping the question. Which 90s alternative rock band's lead singer Kurt Cobain famously wrote a cardigan that became iconic enough to sell for $130,000? Easy. I shouldn't have answered that on stream, but. Oh, shit. No, that wasn't correct. It auto-kicked me. No, you didn't, Jeremy. Okay, we have 9 answers in. I'm just gonna reveal the question. FaZe Emmy is winning. 2.4 seconds. And then I got it right, but it took me 8 seconds. All right, next question. You guys ready? The category is going to be African American culture and statistics. This is a geeked ass question, but I'm dropping it in 3, 2, 1. Question is going to be live. Question is live. Which year did African Americans first comprise more than 13% of the U.S. population and account for 70%? No, I'm just kidding. We're going to have to go. I have no idea. Let's just guess 2000. Bro, social credit score 0. Why don't you just join the trivia game? You just can join and you free. Bro, I don't know American stats. Oh, fuck. All right, I'll make sure the next question isn't American stats. Okay, the correct answer was C. And Xander James got it. Okay, Xander James. Sounds like a racist question. It's not really that racist. What? Bug? No, Paul. FaZe Emmy, it's a 5-question run, big dog. So we run 5 questions, and the winner of the 5 questions gets the 20, buddy. Obviously, I mean, I think I've explained it like that twice. No. Okay, so let's do major world events. That's going to be the category is major world events. Wait, is it bugged? I answered it and it did not enter. Okay, I'm going to have to isolate your username. You just have to be ready. Dude, I tried trading Apple calls this morning. I don't even want to talk about it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Next question. Is it still bugged, bro? What's up, Johnny? What's the Okay, answered, I saved it, entered. All right. Yeah, I mean, you're going to have vibe-coded bugs. Johnny 9 won this round. Johnny, you won. So there you go, buddy. It's not bugged, they cap in. Got a 2x click. Okay, it entered. You guys ready for the next question? Yeah, I'm up and down, brother. That's what's happening right now. I'm up and down in day trading. Okay, this question is going to be, the category is going to be hyper advanced nuclear fission knowledge. That's the category. The category is hyper advanced nuclear fission knowledge. Okay? Dropping the question in 3, 2, 1. In fast breeder reactors, which isotope is primarily produced in the blanket region through neuron capture and serves as a fuel for future reaction cycles? Damn, this is a gimme for Xander James. Dude, damn it. I knew this is the one question that Xander James is going to be able to answer immediately. This is like such fucking basic ball knowledge, guys. This is basic ball knowledge, guys. Shaz, it shouldn't matter. It's running on its own server where it's recording the time it takes you to play. How the fuck did you guys get this in 3 seconds, bro? Who are you guys, man? Who are you guys? Pearl milling? That's crazy. They really changed Aunt Jemima to pearl milling? That's crazy. All right, I believe this is going to be... All right, now this is just... I'm just going to do basic knowledge. Fart sniffer JJ. Didn't even answer. Bro, what's the deal? Bro, didn't even read this. Server can still struggle. Well, it's like when a question is initiated, how long it took you on your individual link. All right, 3, 2, 1, dropping question. 3. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? I'm pretty sure this is obvious, right? B. Did I get it right? No, I didn't. I said A. That's fucking crazy. All right, so this guy. This guy is winning. All right, that was it. That was the last question. So here's the final results. The results... Final results. Okay, hold on. Final results. Results of the game, of the 5-question game we just played are not showing for the players. I'm waiting for the... Saturn has 200. I think it's a tie. Bro is on your tip. What's up, Pluto? How you feeling, bro? Ask ChatGPT if I was cheating. Saturn definitely is right. That's also the right context of the word right. Bad, down 70 points. I know King even. Yeah, good shit, good shit. Hold on, I'm seeing if... Let me check deployed code, see what's broken. Yeah, we're just going to see what's going on. Dude, I might just send the winner 20 and I'm going to probably hop off. How much am I down? $3,722. Yeah, it is what it is, man. It happens. I can breathe. No. It's a lot more simple to just know you're done than, like, continue to stress. Did I fact check the answer? No, I just have a bot that does it. Okay, so we're back with glasses off this time and the largest intraday loss. Hey, so, like, I mean, when you're looking at a June 18th expiration and you call a trade that I took earlier this week that I just leave on my P&L for full transparency for you guys, an intraday loss, it's hard for me to even give you the consideration of an explanation or to even try to justify it. I'll just let you say what you want to say and then pretend that, like, you have the right end of the deal here, bro. Like, you've got it. Like, you got it exactly right, bro. I'm not here to fucking beg you to understand my strategy behind this trade. I have nothing to prove to you. I'm down $3,700 from an AMD call option that I placed yesterday that I'm holding until mid-June. So it's just like, bro, get real. Like, please, just use your fucking brain, bro. Okay, so we're back with glasses off with the largest intraday loss. Like, dog. It's not even worth an explanation sometimes, bro. Yeah, for AMD, I mean, I'm just going to DCA. I'm just going to DCA in on Monday. I'm checking the code right now. Paul, don't explain yourself to these kind of people. Yeah, you're right. Jeremy, how much you up? JJ's asking. Like, literally, bro, it's just crazy. Like, just the literal baseline knowledge that it takes to make an assumption like that and call yourself a trader and use words like intraday in a sentence where you're just absolutely in a sub 50 IQ range of observation is just so crazy, bro. Paul, you sent me the $20 already. I'm gonna send it. Give me a second. I'm gonna send it. I haven't sent it yet. I'll send it right now. Okay, so hey, if you guys, brother, I'm begging you not to place bets on tickers that ran 40 points off of moving averages into huge economic releases. Why open positions when we have CPI and PPI this week? I'm placing trades based on institutional options flow, congressional disclosures, insider buys, and... Yo, what up, Factual? What's my monthly P&L? I'm up $9,000. I'm not putting this. I'm not putting. I mean, guys, you guys know my P&L. This is like. Let me send Sumo bread while I do this. Sumo, I'm sending you. Let me see. Sumo, can you real quick just DM me on Discord your Ethereum wallet address? For some reason, it's not pulling up on my end. Apple is up, but I'm out of the trade. No, Sumo won a round before we went into no payments. How are my algo bots doing? The bots are crushing it right now. The agent arena is fucking fire here. Yeah, dude. I mean, like, I'm gonna have to lock in this trivia stuff. I'm just gonna send the money to Sumo, but like, it looks like it didn't save any of my 5-question run results. But Sumo, I got you, bro. Hit me up, Sumo. Send me on Discord right now. You can make money and time trades better. Look at the macro picture because we'll be selling down to 7 at least in the next 2 weeks. I promise. I've got a. I made money on a SPY put today. Want to buy me AirPods? Sumo. Did I win the trivia? No, you didn't. Okay, yeah, I got your wallet address. Okay, Sumo, I'm sending it right now. You can just rewatch the stream and find the winner. Why not me? Message. All right, I got you, bro. I'm sending it right now. I'm sending it right now, my boy. A405. Well, I'm in. The only trade I have active right now is AMD. I mean, okay, so Vasco. I mean, like, playing AMD till, like, me trading AMD on an expiration for June 18th yesterday, I don't think that was a bad play, bro. I don't think that was a bad play. Your wallet ends in FB25. Yeah, it does. Ethereum 20. All right, bro. Can barely hear you. My audio is all the way up. You can't hear me? Done. Yo. Here. No, Anamo, it was like a 5-question run. I mean, like, it's just getting to the point where it's just I'm explaining myself on this trivia game so many times. It's like, if you guys win a question, right? If I tell you that the question's for money, you win money on the question. If I tell you we're doing a 5-question spree and the winner who answers the most questions right gets the money, it doesn't mean if you answer one of those 5 questions right, you get the money. Making money today, it's a struggle. We closed out early. Nah, bro. It's for me, it was just a struggle. Now I can much better. Sumo, let me know when you get that. Anama, let me know when did you get the initial 20 I sent you? Shit is exhausting. I might just send Johnny $9 $20 at this point. Did I do the giveaway? I just did trivia instead. I didn't make enough money to fucking justify a $200 giveaway. You're gonna drive yourself crazy. I know, dude. I know. Data thin theta decay when we pull back. Treasuries are red hot. VIX broke out. They're gonna try and swing to max for fear for shorts. Vasco, do you think if I put my glasses on, it would fix this entire debacle I'm in? I'm just fucking with you, man. I'm just kidding. I appreciate the advice. My head's all over the place right now. So waiting for me, $20. No, FaZe, you didn't win a question that would make you 20. Today's loss. Yeah, today's loss. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't even. Guys, for everyone saying you didn't get their $20, I'm not like retarded. I'm not like some tyrant that's like rigging a trivia game to not give you money. There was rules set out. Like, as much as I would just love to hand you guys all $20, nobody, like, the people who earned the 20 got the 20. Fuck them if they don't understand the simplest rules. And Phase Emmy, I'm gonna hook you up with the login credentials anyway. We should hop on a phone on Discord, Phase. I mean, we should go through how you would use TradeAlgo.com because I'm curious how you would use those data sets. Since the market's down, yeah, the market's just sideways, bro. Took aggressive trades in a sideways market. I paid the price. That's what happened. It was the first question out of the 5. Paul, scam my grandma out of her retirement savings. And send me 20 after that, please. Holy shit. You guys want to trade more? Just got it. Thanks, Paul. Sweet. Clarify, Anomal Paul won the very first question. Then it was Sumo. Then we did a 5-question blitz, and my bot geeked out, and it lost like the progress and all the data on the 5. So you guys are still gonna have the opportunity to fucking do this and make money from it. Went from making 1K to being 4K in drawdown. Rebleeding silver dry. VIX 15-minute time frame right now says we nosedive through the next week. Hope you protect yourself, bro. I'm going out to Skylark tonight with my girlfriend. Have a good weekend. What is Skylark? Are you in New York? Back to Nitpick on Monday. Sick. Yeah, it's 2-1. Would it be a good time to look at management techniques for red trades? Okay. So, I mean, my management technique is really simple. You can give me 2 Big Macs and a half-eaten hot dog and half a eaten hot dog. Buru super cheap. Penny stock might rank up to 20 cents. JJ's right. My silver got effed. I think JJ was shorting silver today. Same thing with you, gappers, right? You were playing ball and gold. What were you doing on gold? Dollar cost averaging isn't what you were thinking. Are you thinking of like literally placing a trade in the opposite direction? I mean, that's fire. I mean, I think that's something to explore as well. Before we get into this, let me run to the bathroom. I'm gonna drop an advertisement on you guys that I made yesterday. I'm looking for an advertisement I can run while I'm in the bathroom. Something you guys haven't seen before. What up, man? Bleeding day with NVDA again. I see. Yeah, well, I'm just seeing this trade through. That's really all that's happening. But I'm gonna learn a strategy right now to like manage losses. Dude, not another ad. Neutralize your delta. No, I was long in gold lows. Sniff time. I want to be shield again. Sell, please. I'm not in the trade anymore. You guys talking about AMD? Dog, if AMD's a bad trade, like I don't even know. It is what it is. I'm gonna learn a loss management strategy right now though. Let me see. However, I did a lot of my physical silver bars at 115 though. Fire. Good shit. All right, I'm gonna run this video. Rewind the stream to. Wait, no, I'm not.
Jeff Blitzstein from Denver, Colorado.
No. Yeah, I'm long. Yeah, I got a call option for June 18th. Stick to your plan. I'm just saying manage your trade in case your bias is wrong. I do think your trading windows are too small for this AMD trade.
So we had big hits across NVIDIA and AMD, specifically chip manufacturing companies, and this is really just...
This is like this video is months old.
So we had big hits across NVIDIA and AMD
No. Let me find a video for you guys to watch while I'm in the bathroom. Something just super chill.
They are literally...
No. Dude. Should we get back into Apple calls? Good thing I'm on premium. I'm on Pesa Kamala Gunner. But what pawn shop even plays close to the spot? LMAO. The time of day, JJ, bro. Don't tell me that. That's not valid, bro. I'm gonna have a different level of motion, okay, at least for this New York Stock Exchange. For futures, I can't call that. I can't say for futures, 100%. So you might be right, but for the stock market, I have a completely different level of motion at 9:30 a.m. Yeah, who is Biscuit Bob in the stream or in the Discord? But scalping huge lots is a hit or miss. Facts.
Lose money in markets that they thought they understood. But here's what I eventually figured out. The people that were losing money in the markets, they weren't losing it because they were stupid. They were losing because they were
I don't even know what this video was. Wait, y'all got a DS? Like a Nintendo DS? So you made no gains this week? No, I made gains this week. I did make gains this week. I mean, bro, I show my P&L all the time. I don't know his risk breakdown point. Should I get into Apple? All right, I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick. Give me a second. We'll just be right back. I'll give you guys something to watch while I'm in there.
The Colonel has a bucket list. The $10 one, Monday nuggets, Tuesday fried chicken.
Enter now on Apple. That would have been bad. No, this is that background track is copyright free. I flipped 100. It's 1,650. Yeah, I am not doing trading like you guys. I don't know. Like you guys are turning like 60 grand into $1 million or like $50 into 1,700. That is not my that has not been my experience in trading. But NVIDIA's Jensen Nato is plowing AMD's JJ right now. Seems like you shoot for doubling your money pre-trade, Jay. I bet you $20 Apple's going to fall. I just asked if I should get into calls. It's all about the percentage. Facts. It is. It is. It is all about the percentage. True. I hope he gets strike because he didn't give me allowance. Bruh. Don't make me cry. Check ASP Atomics. ASP. What's the ticker? ASP Atomics. It's not on NASDAQ. Everyday trader is different. Every trader is different. Just forget it. Paul's not sending any. Bro, I sent 2 of you guys. Ugh. It's like, it can't be real. Like, it just can't be real. You guys can't be serious right now. In fact, I gotta, like, update my thing on how much money I've sent you guys. Sumo Flex, you made 20, so 40. And then Tenebrosity, Anonymous, you did a 20. And then Anamo Paul. I know Anamo Paul's in here somewhere. No, he's not. Anamo Paul made 20. Good shit, good shit, good shit. Definitely levels to this. You gotta find it. Get in Discord. Hell yeah. Dollar per nail the percentage. Exactly. When you get into that mindset though, is like all of your trade sizes basically have to be the same, right, gappers? Like for example, if I'm shooting for specific percent, like if I'm shooting for 3% a trade, in order to have the best data on my like profit and losses in my trading days, I would have to do the same exact amount on every trade, right? Why isn't my name on there? How much money have you made, Scroller? Why is my name not on the list yet? How much money have you two made? I usually am. Sometimes I forget to update it. Sumo Flex, Zebra Defender, Stormy Weather, Nanya Binny's on here. Invest with Alex is on here. Sahal Shahif, George Faber's on here. No, it doesn't mean that, gappers. Okay, interesting. Wouldn't that be like the most conclusive way though to stick to a strategy like that? Cigarettes for $20, you get all the dopamine you want, bub. 4K too much for dopamine. Thank you, drink more water. 888. None. That's not my point. You sent me 500 on my birthday. Remember? Oh yeah. No more than 30% of my total capital. So if you lost your ass on 3 trades, bad. Would you if you lost bad on 3 trades, wouldn't that mean you'd like lose 90% of your capital? Yeah, kind of. Also no, because it's percentages. Might go up, but the percentage would stay the same. Okay, understood. But see, I usually have a lot of simultaneous trades. So if you have more than 3 trades at 30% of your entire capital, wouldn't you have deployed all of your capital into the market in one run? A lot of spontaneous trades need to collect premium, usually around 40 days to expiration, and manage them around 20 days expiration. Yeah, he's selling. He does a lot of that. Still going. Nice. Yeah, I'm about to wrap up. Dude, what's up, man? What's the deal? What's the deal? I'm gonna have to learn how to manage these losses because this does cut into my week. This brings my week to an L. If I closed out of AMD right now, it would bring my week to an L. But if I just keep it, thank you. Drink more water. Are you saying? Oh, Gappers, he's talking to you. You're one fart away from not only losing your entire capital from generational debt. Shaz, no. Gappers, drink more water says you're one fart away from generational debt. Gappers probably hears that and laughs. He's like, yeah, bro. I know, B Saudi, but someone did make a good point. I think I want a BLT. I think that's what I want. Brother, uncovered puts is insane work. Let alone 200 open ones. Are you going insane? Well, I think it's technically he's trading multiple of them. Bros, like I fart all the time. Fuck you mean? I have only 30 of my cash trading capital is locked up. From where? You and your BLT. Dude, I'm going to crush a BLT, bro. Let me tell you guys something about a Jimmy John's BLT. Don't get the toasted version. Get the straight up JJ BLT. No modifications. It's a perfect sandwich. It's a perfect sandwich. You still have 70% of your capital to work with. Okay, so 30% on each trade, though. But if you do have multiple trades going, then you could have days where your capital is 100% deployed, right? Scalping, different story. Okay, so you're in and out. Manage around 20 DTE. And just collect premium. When you say you collect premium, if you collect premium on a trade you have that's 20 days to expiration, would you consider that a trade, the act of collecting a premium? Been full-time trading 4 years. Nice, Jeremy. 2 weeks and have a separate account for my long-term investments. Yeah, that's exactly what I have too. I'm hopping off. See you guys. Peace out, bro. 30% for all open trades. Okay. That's that light bulb that I needed. That's the clarity that I needed. Dude, a BLT from Jimmy John's is, I would say, like in the top 3 sandwiches ever. Nah, that's not true. I would say it's just a reliable choice. Dude, why didn't this kid Sean hit me back? Yeah, I was confused. I'll worry about AMD on Monday, bro. I'm gonna stick to the plan. I need to go outside and like go for a walk. If I was doing the other way, I'd be bagging fries soon. There's cycles of growth for thinking that trades. Got to find ways to gauge what cycle it's in, and choppy waves always suck. Surf and turf. BLT with garden fresh tomatoes is a top sandwich. Yeah, absolutely. Paul, check your Discord DMs. You want to check them on stream? Like, pull it up on here. I'll just check it before. So far, not coming off. Yeah, bro, for sure. Oh, and 5-1 you said you meant. No, private. I'm feeling steak. Yeah, gold for short. Bro, this is cooked. Yeah, it's a little cooked. What's good, though, guys? It's a shit show. Will be a great marketing line. LOL, TBH. Any predictions for Monday? I fucking hope the market goes up. It's a good question. Shorting with Gold J, 50K. It's the schnitzel. Chad Scott futures market is a midnight Sunday going to. Yo, JJ, what are you doing tonight, bro? What's the play in Tennessee? Are you gonna do the same thing like always? We getting drunk and hitting strippers? Barstool. Bar downtown is my move today. Nice. Nice. All right, boys. Baddies with the fatties. Or, fatties that have big asses. Trade Algo blasts all up in the TIZOWE. What do you mean? Yeah, it's cooked, Marty. But yeah, guys, I'm wrapping up. The best thing I've ever done. All I see is dollar signs now. Good shit, bro. Good shit. You think that drinking was affecting your trading? Were you drunk trading, bro? Who in here has ever drunk traded? I've never done that in my life. I've drunk gambled before, right? But who in here has drunk traded? Paul, did you get a free Trade Algo shirt? No, I designed this one. I made up some mocks for the sales team. Here, I'll let you guys see. I made like some mocks for the sales team, some TradeGPT merch. Have a good weekend. Sell, bro. I'm not in. I'm in AMD. Started drinking at 1 p.m. I've drunk traded. Is it profitable? Do you guys do well when you drink and trade? Johnny, my guy. Yeah. It's I had this for a while though. Drunk trading stream would go fire, dude. No, it would not. You know, it might. It might because I might be able to just retard max my way. When I start using my brain in the market, it stops working. Crash outs on another level, yeah. I don't even know if I don't even know if I'd be reading the chat. Fuck no, it's not profitable. I start drinking when I close my trades now. Good call. Getting mad anxiety. No, I can feel that. But I bet the drinks smacks harder after a day you make fucking... I would watch you drunk vibe code. I would drunk vibe code. For sure. Nah, the real vibe coding sauce is... I don't even know if I'm allowed to say this, but I'll just put it in GTA terms. In GTA, the best way to vibe code is off the ketamine, bro. Take a little K, a little weed, start fucking vibe coding... Then all of a sudden, like, you're getting these ideas, and then all of a sudden you've got, like, this agent arena. The agent arena was a ketamine idea in GTA. It was a GTA idea that I had in GTA, in the Ketaverse in GTA. And I made the agent arena. You guys want to check the agent arena, by the way? Let's check this out before we dip really quick. Let's check this out. How's Gappers doing? Rect is still in the lead. So I want to show you guys, Rect is using TradeGPT like a freaking animal, dude. And he is not doing good. He's not. He had one AMD put on May 5th that did a $10,000 profit and has literally lost every single trade, basically every single trade. Had a 145 win, a $6 win. This did 36 bucks. But no, this guy is beating the entire arena from one lucky trade. Oracle, though, he's about to pass this motherfucker. This is Gappers. This guy, this is like me. Even, I mean, actually, I would say that Blaze is me. I would say that I'm Blaze. Oracle, he's only doing put credit spreads on SPY and Qs. And so what he's asking TradeGPT is this. He says, what's the current IV rank for SPX and IWM? And then it gives him a bull put spread. Bro, did we throw risk management out the window? Yeah. Kind of. But yeah, here's the agent arena. So how this works is, guys, it's 9 traders, all using TradeGPT. Yo, Mark Brett, what's up, my guy? How you feeling, Mark Brett? $140K before 11 a.m. I was blasted by 1 p.m. Did you guys make your own crystals from crystals from the keto vials, or did you already buy in crystal powder? Are you talking about in GTA? Gappers? Yeah, in like video games. I'm usually just doing just already buying it in that powdered form in GTA. Anyway, I can't actually talk like this. Hey, all good. Thanks. Watch from UK. Wales, UK again. Hell yeah, man. I'm about to wrap up. I've been on here for fucking 2 hours. It's been all right. I mean, I'm in this trade right now for June 18th expiration. So we're gonna see what happens. Month off for vacation. Now you know how to trade hard and play hard. Well, you've been in full time trading for a minute though, right? 3 years, you said. You should maybe on Discord. Go check the ASP isotope stock. ASP isotopes. What's the ticker symbol? Do you mind just dropping the ticker symbol for me? Original Donkey Dong. Oracle's my man. Yeah, dude. Yeah, Oracle's crushing, bro. But yeah, I think, bro, with the way this guy is fucking printing, look at this win streak he's on. He's at a 61% win week after a week. Bro, I'm going to take the MD file for Oracle, and I'm going to fucking make a bot. No kerosene in video games? Dude, I'm going to do a MD file based on the most profitable bot here, and I'll just, like, for you guys who watch my streams, if you guys want it, you can have it. May I join the Cord? Yeah, guys, if you guys are on the Discord, 5 years ago, you gotta know when to take vacations, you gotta know when to take a break, let your battery recharge, and get overly obsessed because the market is something that's constantly moving. Facts. Yeah, you gotta step away. Step away sometimes. All right, guys. Looks like Apple I would have been making money on this trade right now, which is funny. If you guys want to join the Discord, go to my YouTube channel. Go to my channel. And go to my posts right here. Scroll down, and my Discord link is right here. If you believe in that trade so much, maybe sell a put on the next move down. Okay. You close it out? No, I didn't close it out. I closed out of Apple. Yeah, I closed out of Apple. Hit my stop loss. It's all good, man. It's just one of those days. I don't really want to talk. I don't really want to talk about it. Why are you not copying the Oracle? No, because it's still running behind my back, and I don't have a really good way to alert me when Oracle's taking a trade. Mental discipline is just as important for it as a strategy. Yeah, I agree, 100%. It's a $300 loss. I can't even think about this anymore. It is what it is. It's on the P&L. Save today to history. All right, guys, this is my fucking day. I don't have anything for yesterday because I didn't close out of anything yesterday, but this is my week. Separate range split food, separate views. This is the week. This is the month. That's the month, guys. Absolutely. Join the Discord when y'all finish. Yeah, join the Discord. We'll do like VCs and calls and stuff. We're growing a really, really, really talented community here. So I will, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, we're looking all right. We're looking all right, JJ. I mean, this is like, nothing on this account is leveraged, right? This isn't like a funded account. I mean, this is hard cash that I have in a fucking margin account on Webull. You know, the best strategy, but you don't have to properly implement your strategy. It just goes to waste, yeah. Can't message you on Telegram? Yeah, bro. Hit me on Telly. You got Telegram? Drop me your number in Discord. I'll send you a message on Telegram. If you have a sharp mind, or just send me the QR code, and I'll hit you on Telly, bro. Back again, buddy. What's up, Spencer Williams? How you feeling, bro? Good stream, bro. Enjoy the weekend. What's the Discord? If you guys want the Discord, it is on my YouTube channel. You guys are going to go here to my YouTube posts. Scroll down right here, the Discord link. Posted 3 months ago. I'm going to wrap up. All right, guys. God bless all of you guys. You guys are the best. Makes this, even on losing days, makes my day, just a good day talking to all of you. So I'll see you guys later. Peace. Everyone enjoy it. JJ, you stay safe, man. That's a good week. Think of it like there's a lot of people in the world that have worked really hard. Yeah, in a manufacturer. Yeah, 100%. I could be fucking dissolving tires in India for the fucking rubber oil. So I'm not too mad. All right, guys. Peace. What am I interested in being funding? Fuck no. Not my thing. But I appreciate the offer, Spencer Williams. Peace. See you guys. See ya.